Why does a doctor's appointment feel so daunting? Stick here and you will know more. Welcome to MedEd 360, where we simplify medicine for everyone. Ever felt rushed or unsure during a doctor's visit? You're not alone. Many patients leave feeling they missed something important. Let's make your next doctor's appointment productive and stress-free. Let's start by asking a question. Does preparation before a medical consultation matters? Doctors often have limited time, especially in busy outpatient departments. Preparation ensures that you get the most out of your consultation. It can also prevent misdiagnoses, overlooked symptoms, or unnecessary follow-ups. So, that's why pre-consultation homework is very important. Write down your concerns, note all symptoms, even minor ones. Include when they start, what makes them better or worse, and how they affect your daily life. List your main concerns in order of priority. Next step is to know your medical history well. Bring records of previous diagnoses, surgeries, or hospital visits. This helps the doctor quickly connect the dots and make informed decisions. Apart from your medical history, you should also have medication awareness. Carry all your current medicines or their prescriptions. Know the dosages and why you're taking them. If unsure, ask your pharmacist or make a list. After knowing about your history and medication, understand key details before consultation. If you've seen a doctor before, review their advice. For example, did they mention tests, or a change in medicine, or a change in the dosage, or a follow-up? After you have done some homework, next step is what to do during the consultation. Stay focused on the main issues. Avoid unnecessary details like unrelated past events unless the doctor asks. Ask questions if something isn't clear, especially about tests or medications. Take someone with you for support, especially if you're nervous or unwell. Keep a pen and notebook or use your phone to jot down key points during the visit. This was all about the pre-consultation homework one can do to ensure a better consultation, especially in busy clinics. Next time you visit a doctor, use these tips to take control of your health. Got more questions or tips? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this on MedEd 360. See you next time.